Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find maps in a vector form or in a shapefile that you can use in plotting graphs for your data. So we'll start with this website. You have to open this cartographyvectors.com. Here you can search for any location, like I will talk about Malaysia. So if I write Malaysia, it will give me four options: as a whole country, as an outline, as a detailed boundary, as a regions. So if your analysis is within a country, you will go with regions. It will give you the diagram with boundaries of the regions. Now you can download its picture if you want as it is, or what you want. If you want, you can get a shapefile or JSON or KML or any other format. So what I can do, if you most of the good softwares that do graphical analysis like GEODA or ArcGIS or QGIS usually support all of the formats. So if you select the shapefile, it will start download, and you can just save it in the settings, and then you can import that in your software where you can then plot it accordingly. And you can open up videos of Geoda where you can see how you can use these files to create the distance matrices and other processes. Thank you.